Wood pergola posts rotting at the base? That is a total pain, but you can totally fix it with some smart moves. So, first off, always go for treated wood when building your pergola posts because it's made to resist moisture and bugs way better than regular wood. Next, slap on a good sealant or wood preservative around the base before you set them in the ground, and reapply it every year or so. Make sure your pergola posts are sitting on concrete footings or metal post anchors instead of directly in the soil to keep water from soaking into the wood. You want to create proper drainage around the base. That means no puddles hanging out near your posts after it rains. Use gravel or crushed stone around the base to help water drain away fast. Check your gutters and downspouts too. If they're dumping water right near your pergola, reroute them so water flows elsewhere. Keep an eye on the posts regularly for any signs of rot, like softness or discoloration, so you can catch problems early. Lastly, don't forget to trim back any plants or bushes that hold moisture against the wood since that speeds up rot. One of the biggest mistakes people make with wood pergola posts rotting at the base is using untreated wood, which just soaks up water and decays fast. Fix that by always buying pressure-treated lumber designed for outdoor use. Another common issue is poor drainage. If water pools around the base, it creates the perfect spot for rot. The fix? Build your posts on concrete footings and add gravel for drainage. A third problem is skipping sealants. Wood exposed to rain and humidity without any protection will rot quicker. Applying a waterproof sealant regularly keeps moisture out and extends your pergola's life. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking homeowners up with reliable local contractors who know how to handle projects like wood pergolas right. Contractors can also get steady work by connecting with people who need pros they can trust through the site.